thank our families for being supportive all throughout the planning of this event. You're all special to us, and thank you so much for sharing your talents, your time, and effort to make this a very successful and memorable occasion for us. Of course, our friends, our co-workers also, who went on leave. Went on leave. It's a Thursday, it's a working day, and we're all staying up late and working tomorrow. Yes. So thank you so much. And also to our Ninongs and Ninangs, of course, for being here and for being supportive. Ben will end the thank you speech.
Gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga tumulong para maging okay itong wedding namin. Nung una, West lang dapat, pero ayun, naging ganito ang bongga. Salamat sa mga taong tumulong. Pinakauna, yung mga father namin for financing us. Ayan, and yung mga Ninong, Ninang, for being our Ninongs and Ninangs. Si Father Lauro for officiating it. Ayun, our friends, our families, ayan yung gulong nandyan, no? Usapan nila, pag susubo kami, magpapatulog sila. Tapos, ayun, wala na akong basta lahat ng nandito, lalo na yung mga nandito. Yung mga nilibre yung services sa amin. I couldn't thank you guys enough kasi, ayun nga, we're on a budget, pero ganito kaganda. Thank you. Ayun. I think that's thanks everyone. Really appreciate it.
Let's give them a round of applause. We want to make it 19. There you go.